Abusama kwa badba ala media Ghana se ne di kan ya wo hwe ne meso so be subscribe to YouTube channel no like no wa share na do comment na so ato honom me ba making kan e de amount enra na me be ye video bi abahana Bissiw a wa kwa cheche excavators bia ode akoma police commander bi so won hwe so because of onya low bed e be se excavator na kwa no twen sa de beche no onya low bed abesesa excavator na kwa ade chen ya excavators 40 no emu 33 ayira amanaka 7 excavators 40 no emu 33 ayira manaka 7 no waka ho asem say why disappointed be sisi ano kra no ono ateki ni plans cause omo no onam no oni obi ani sisi ano no ateki ni plan ko be bia omo obi amane no efia poku ya vim lady akwatena OKFM eno waka say NDC for a kama and no more year man. Time na MPP was so no fight against Galamsey no. O man and nam eyo campaign. Say o mo de munye MPP for no do machine mo machine no mun season mo na ye de ba adwuma na mo beye ye be ma mo kwan ma ye. Sisi adwuma no enye MPP for na ye NDC for na nkasa ene ye adwuma no. Enintina machines no ayira na machine no onye ayira duru. Na onye motia na wotumi ayira. Eye nipa o ma eyo mo dia no na befo ma de. Ne mum say machines ni na ayira because Ghana no ye ya avin say be Ghana ni ye say amanyoku we was na so fight against Galamsey no wo position ni mo no man fighting against no di na machire no ye campaign tia say na wo de mo je mo machines ni e be bu mai mo na mo hye nkura no kan say mo hye nkofo yes small scale miners na illegal miners no mo na mo hye won bo anase mo promise won say mo ba mo kwa mai Galamsey na se ma ba na so mo ye Galamsey na mo sa je mo machines eno de enya adwuma nti machines na yira no se machine na nya taban na tu eye nipa yomo de omo kwaje ye no o man kasa na ye sa de no yenkotie nsam a okan wo OKFM
under MPP excavators akese yetumi ayira under NDC excavators nso ayira nti NDC ni MPP mienu ntumi nche excavators omu ntumi nche nkofo no mo ye Galamsey no na just clearly no omo ye Galamsey ndi NDC ni MPP and a president way. In fact, do baby my civil society groups led by Miaminia, Professor Jampo. Oh, you declare state of emergency. Suddenly, a state of emergency. No, Mustafa Iban Deni Adeni so it's too early. May and Russian treeable. Now people are calling for NDC MP. This is exactly what. Let me give it to former NDC minister Fuseni Inusa Fuseni. Mene na ye ko jogging Weburi Saturday bia. Inusa Fuseni is one of the few NDC level-headed people omo ka say there be ade na ye say ye nyina ye ka bom ne ye na solve ade because ye po NDC for wom MPP for wom no mu nyina ye asofo wom hwan for wom eskafo omo nyina ka no mo ye Galamsey no and we nim nti no okoche a that is the reason why ya na EFS excavators yira no enye say yira o ni wura no ma na befa yira afi ni wura no ma na befa because they don't want to stop the Galamsey. But we also, the NDC was jubilating because Galamsey na jinsem. And they jubilated 2020 when MPP for lose all the mining areas. See, my question is, say, see, NDC aba konya so again, Galamsey no, excavators na sayida no. Ye koto about 2028 Iti mo Ghana for besan ba be now say mo be 20 NDC ana. You cannot do that. Ye never condemn mo say mo yes because empendudu Ghana for no see ye Ghana for no say ye nya atwumo say double standard I don't know mo pesa ban bia bo fight Galamsey ba mo kroya Ghana ni no ban bia be fight Galamsey bia commanding areas no matter wetia no na MP na lose nti what do we want? We must start questioning Ghana for nakasa our own integrity. O person NDC fight Galamsey, o person MPP fight Galamsey, but kro bia NDC MPP be fight Galamsey bia na matter wetia no Krobia MPP o NDC. Inti na make us say munnim na NDC abetena konwa so yi. Muka say eko 2028 because NDC so fight Galamsey to but what ya NDC MPC bia fire go burn you all those Ghana for any more multi areas on because we cannot continue to be licking the feet, licking the boot of more Ghana for na multi Galamsey areas on because mo amunua no mo fa ase mo fa no mo bra mo omo na ye Galamsey no. Because say odi MPP time na mo si Bissiw ena enye MPP time na mo se ekọ wuzi ena enye ena omo na omo ayira Galamsey omo aye excavators so ena omo akọwia ena wuntumi num ena hwan although obi ti say wuntumi so okutan license dada now NDC abayi Ada na NDC nchen kofo again Galamsey ni so excavators so yira. And excavator ba ko excavator ne kase. Eda na yira. And yira to the extent that maame no anabisu crash on trust to obi abiem ti say okọ ba bi kron kan jiro bia. Because from police to soldier to na make say ya na governor ya military. Now ka say military coup bi ba na military for no ba mo nya Galamsey ni bi. Galamsey na ekoso soldier for kra wo. Na ka wa mo na je bribe no mo garden crofo. Mi nua be ma Erastus ye yi sesi ase. NDC ba ye ya, NDC ba ye ya. Omo kwakoche some of the mining sites and crofo no kuta concession. Afi the NDC for no mom na akogum no mo tu Galamsey no. So do you want to fight it? MPP for fight Galamsey mo so omo ye MPP for chairman for hwan for and the NDC for na so egum party chairman for no be mama boy say interview with you and I'll take you back to election 2020 koku bo an no me ade ekokoko konkrase kokache nkofo bia be didi peche mu betu ye ba mu betu now excavators yira musu munye nsuyi mo na mo kache mo party boys say ba obia betu bi obia be didi peche nti they are doing it. Entinya motia na nya abaifo na ebe excavators party boys and girls na ban na aba nti oso otu na ban na aba. You see, when we unnecessarily do politics with adia NEC the politics here we ebe wie no adia NEC the politics here the politics we ebe wie no we
when I did the post in the initial stages, Mustafa Bande, yeah, I should say, yes, called me. And his argument was that there is a political twist to that mine, which I do not know. Wow. And I asked him why we should be considering political interest when somebody has registered his mine and is working legally. How do you, in this era of democracy, go over with national security and take over the mine and start mining?
Right, ebusia so we dey wasum wahu dey eko ne okan no eno na wanzo weni ehu bia wasonso atibie no na Eugene Boachi Antwi eye former MP for Subin and woko channel 1 through nkoma ekoso no interview ekoso no na presenter no ebisa ne say what do you think will happen to Ghana if John Mahama fails? And do you know what he said? Or say ono no bomba yes John Mahama kran firi na ne party no emra bemu. Look at this, ye bomba yes say oman no ebetuma ko nanim John Mahama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, wabana wadini omegu akwam yenna wase ye support na ye boa ma oman no ko nanim no obi nso hye baabi all in the name of say or opposition into person oman ni faili na motena so 8 years no eden na moyama oman no motena so 8 good years MPP man ahwe ama oman no modu oman na kwahye baabi a eka na emene ya to aba ama aban sesa na so obi aba na so obo no homoden say obedu oman na si wo omo oman ne enkwahye amani ni fi sesa oman ne kwahye amani mu a ye ne ye wo mu no ene ye ho be kire ye ne a se ne wose ye hwe ye kan ye ho bom ne enu mu nyina ye support the citizens no ye ne the government no ka bom ne ye adwuma se ne be oman no ebe koye ko so oman ne koye a enkoye ma South Africa for ye ne ye wo oman ni mu no ye ene be koye amae cause ne ma bo so tete na se wuduna usika wutumi de ye bibia eno no beboa. But look at what he's saying. What do you want to
Let me ask you a question, and I want you to answer like a statesman. Yes, because I believe, based on what you have done, you have reached that level. You should be able to answer. What do you think would happen to Ghana if John Mahama fails?
But I'm not. You see, I want him to fail. I want my party to win the 2028 election.
So you want him to fail?
I want I don't want him to fail as in fail, but I know they can't do the NDC the kind of things that I saw when we were in government. We're the same Ghanaians in the NDC, so it will be transferred across there. But I don't want Mahama to succeed as in succeeding. Because I want my party to win.
That's not you thinking nationalistically.
Oh,
that's not you being patriotic.
But do you think I want the NDC to remain in power after 2028?
But
what's the point of it coming to be general secretary?
But you want the country to see progress.
And of course, but everybody will come and do their bit. The Kufuor came and did his bit. Kufuor came and did his bit. Mahama, Mills, they all came and did their bit. But in terms of actual managing of this economy, I don't think the NDC has what it takes.
2020.
Although my brother Atuforson is the finance minister.
He's doing a good job.
I don't know people are saying so.
Your dollars are showing so.
But the people are not being paid.
Who says so? Why have you not seen people demonstrating?
People are not being paid. But you saw the next stuff like a few days
That's
ago.
the backlog of what you left behind. 2020.
Abushia, nyeti no. So what do no? We have people like this in this country, and we want this country to prosper. It will never happen, cause people like this in Nyana so bad. Me sure say so the be brain. We make say MPP for ya mamboy for. When someone can say MPP for ya mamboy for. Oh, in the name of position, and the who can say who bet much what is feel? Who do I say like on to me no man ye? Dear Omina could do no. Ebekwa chese yebekwa him, and no na woka. And gaze I don't want to explain the thing feel. That word feel, explain it to me. Abushia chira what you comment section. Hi Align Media Ghana. Tenedi kan o hwe make sure subscribe. While I can now share. Odo comment ni to me ba make kan edit amount.